Just allow me. Them are gonna fuck around with the wrong way, fam. This no-neck girl with her head on her chest. Brother, me step it. Man. Me step in the neck where you not have, yeah? Just slow me. I don't want to know. You know, so me's a mad bumbo clock girl. More time I giggle it off, you know. Cause I focus on my music thing, you know. That prison something that don't fit me, you know. So I say me have to come on live. Cause I could have brought the back and forth. Yeah, cause I know them watch out my story like prime bumbo clock time. So I know them dip on the live and I know them I say, you'll get shot. Stop ramping me. Mad. Yeah. So go sleep on that, yeah? And look into yourself, yeah? And try something else or somebody else, not me. Yeah. Thanks. Mad. Anyway, again, as I said, new music will come next week, people. I love you to my heart. I know some not to the gram from where they come here and walk and the gram life for people. This is what it gram life alright, but at the real life, in a real life, I have a lot to deal with. So I try balance up my part, you see me? So yeah. That's why I'm not really opposed from with you. So sorry about that, people. And yo, the American people, I can't understand me right now. I'm sorry for you, because I can't but I twang in tonight. I'm tired. I say, can't but I twang in this night at all. Because it's like, I'm just tired of the back and forth. Like, I just want to fight, you know? So tired of the lipping, the back and forth, the lipping. When them see me in a person, nobody don't want to really send nothing or trouble me. You know? Like, it's so frustrating. Like, come on. What really are going? No much time my skin and scratch my feel pop up. I say, no, I don't want it. As me a type of person, like, you have a trouble more for my day or something, you know. When I see people, you see me, so I try to hold it. You see me, I say, I come on a live because I see say a person dip on my story, I clock out my thing like, I them post it. So I just say, alright, I'm going to go live in a car. I don't know where them hear about. Rockford. Yeah, Bolvie, I come from. East Side straight. Remember me say East Side JA, not from Cali. Yeah, I don't know, a long time. Remember me say one says so she. Yeah, people. I mean, one the behind the scenes, hear me? One the outside looking in, you know. So I don't even know what they have. You understand? Like, honestly. Don't worry about how long my nails is. Still can't squeeze. I don't have a problem. Yeah. Still can dig off a girl face anytime. With or without it. Now heel back and elbow me deal with. Yeah. And knee and them something there. Now the time I beat up my little soft on them. Lucky my forehead not tough for me, I'll buck them 3 times. And if I'm chatting, brother, I know people, I show people the funny side and the soft side and them some of the car. as a woman, you're not supposed to pre certain things, you know what I say? But them little girl here get enough up, man. Like, all me do, I just make little food, and I hold my own, in nobody way. I hold it. And then, this week now, somebody else. Girl, what you know about me? Eh? We not go grow a neck. Go grow one neck, no, man. And allow me, no, brother. Bumba, man. Like, everybody just look at what you want? What you want from me, you know? Where you come from? Who my trouble? Who my door? Come look all mad up on IG, look homeless. Like, I just show my could bad, you know, man. No, my from nowhere, brother. Grow a neck, brother. No, my man. What's like how I can't soon for beat out on a bumbo clot, neither, man. So, man, I always over the gram thing. Yo, I'm vexed, brother, cause look how I'm nice. Look how I'm kind, and then thing there. And all I try get friendly. Or what them want call it. Me I try, you know, and them just still a trouble me. Pan the media. Nothing in real life. And I think I don't ever understand. Like, why? Why not in that person? Why not in a body? Why not in the flesh? Why not in the flesh? They don't come at me. Eh? Why not in the flesh? I don't understand it, you know. And look, it's so far, me there all the way foreign. All the way foreign. Yeah, I know, mama, you know what? You know what? I don't know, I wish cocky them a deep throat and the man I tell them so them bad, make them feel like say them a real bad girl in a real life. Cause them don't know so me pop them neck. Make them more see a next cocky for suck again. Me mash up them mouth, make them can't talk. Cause I just be a which man a fly up now them look a girl at head. And then social media give them so much power to. Them can make a look a fake page or stay behind them real page and be whoever them can be. And go on the most way. And then in a real life you can't see them at all. I don't know them there in a real life. Which part them there in a real life? Like really which part them there in a real life, brother? Like where? I'm gonna get for exercise my rubber grip on them. The real fucking itch, you know, brother. Yo, I'm try, you know. I'm try my best. I'm try my best to stay out of the fuck with me. I know me's a mad bumbleclad girl. Leave me alone, little girl. Me's not the one. You understand? Me's really not the one. You saw how long me a bill? You see how long me a bill? I love talk about real bad girl in on a bed. Real bad girl for who whisper. A piece of blood clot shit, yo. You piece of fucking fat. Your favorite pup. That your favorite. Big lame nano blood clot name. Dead blood clot. Hear me a say, man. Skull hole girl. Leave me alone. Alright. Mad. If you get talk about me to your friend them, you do that. But don't try spread things pan fucking media as if Yeah, nobody have nothing over here, so Jada Kingdom not see you. Jada Kingdom not see you. The person that what talk about body so fit nobody is that's not the fucking point me I try to make here. That's not the fucking point of me I try to make. Badness not fit me, but I'm good at it. Like me really ooh, let me calm down. Relax. Yeah? Relax. Some of them girl a man no fit them and them still. So if badness to fit me, allow me. I'm good at it. Yeah? Cause no girl can see me nowhere, no day, no time. It never ever happen in a life. And I don't know when it gonna happen. I must before that dead. Cause trust me if that happen, that I dirt for that. Straight. Everybody asks who like gonna think me a blood class scrubby. You shouldn't think me I call a person blood clot name for life. I'm gonna look like. But I know this I gonna reach out there. I know the person I gonna know what it is and who and what. And book back. And good night. You understand? Yeah.